Would you like some free printable planner pages and make a planner with them? Keep watching. Hello everyone, my name is Tina, I am the designer and co-founder of VectoriaDesigns. First I want to apologize to you, because I haven't posted anything in 2 weeks now. In my defense, I'm a part-time school teacher and last weeks were so hectic. I think most teachers can relate. And also, last night I already edited the tutorial part of this video and I noticed I sounded so tired. And that's exactly how I do not want to sound, but I hope this video can inspire you to make really great planners and books and journals and yeah, all of that. The inserts of this planner can be downloaded for free via the links below in the description. A few months ago I made a tutorial how to quickly bind loose pages with PVA glue, and I used these free planner pages to make a little booklet. And that's going to be the insert of the planner. So the main part of the tutorial, I will make a very pretty cover for these inserts. If you like to craft with paper like I do and you haven't subscribed yet to this channel, please do, you won't be sorry. Okay, I've been like this for too long, so let's start. So here's the inside of the planner that I made, using the tutorial to use PVA glue to just bind all the pages together. And look at that. So these pages are free to print. Just click on the link below and download them. And I used the sheet that has 2 on one side. And if you use a JPEG file instead of a PDF file, you can add text wherever you like before printing. I will mention the link below too. This is a very pretty planner and I'm going to make a very pretty cover to match it. Since I live in Europe, I used the A4 sheets. Here I have a piece of grey cardboard. It's 1 millimeter thick, it's about the 1/16th of an inch. And it's also 1 A4 size, so I'm going just to cut it in half. These are the exact same size as the rest of my book. If you like, you can make them a bit larger. It's just this way I had to throw away the least of this cardboard. Let's put this away. And to cover these up, I printed 2 of our sheets from the writing paperback collection. I'm going to use this one on the front and this one on the back. If you think, hey, my paper is a bit too large, I want to print it a bit smaller, just change the print percentage from 100% to 80% and it'll print smaller. But this image fits on my front perfectly. So I'm going to cut off 1/4 inch on this side, measuring from the image, not the edge of the paper. Yeah. Same on this side. And I decided I'm going to cut off 5/8 of an inch from this edge and on the other side. And this side too. Same with the other paper. Now I'm going to glue my front piece of cardboard to the front image, and to be sure it fits, I'm going to use a combination of double-sided tape and fabri tack. First I'm going to apply some double-sided tape to the cardboard, right up to the edge. Press it well. Remove the backing. There, and place it as centered as you can. There. Give it a good push. If you have a brayer, you can go in with that. Now I'm going to turn over the sides. But before I do that, to make it a bit easier for myself, I'm going to cut the corners. To make sure I really cover these corner edges too, I'm going to leave a 1 millimeter gap or two, or 1.5. So I'm not cutting all the way against the cardboard. Like this. Like this. Oops, yeah. And like this. There, this will make it a lot easier. I'm going to fold over these. Oh yeah, by the way, I've printed these. Totally forgot to mention it. I printed these on 80 grams paper, so normal copy paper. Normal print paper. There. I'm really going to fold these against the cardboard like this. Give it a good push. Yeah. Same on all 4 sizes. There. I'm going to apply double-sided tape on all 4 sizes, and I'm going to add a little bit of glue right here on the edge so it really sticks. Give it a good rub, remove the backing. There. A little bit of glue in the fold. And push, push, push. Make sure to do it nice and neat, like that. And the same on all 4 sides, sorry. You know, making something neat like this, it's very satisfying in a weird way. Like folding those edges over neatly, it's a sense of satisfaction. I can't say it otherwise. So, you know, crafting is therapy. I think everyone should do it. Like this. Neat and pretty. I'm going to do the same with the back. So now I have finished both the front cover and the back cover. I'm really pleased with these. Now I'm just going to apply it to the center of the book. But before I do that, I want to embellish this a bit more. I'm going to add this label holder, and I already measured where to punch my holes. So just a regular awl and some corkboard underneath, just to make the holes. And now obviously I'm not going to apply this with the screws they came with. I'm going to use these teeny tiny mini brads. These are all vintage bronze. Just poke it through and open them. They're actually really sturdy and they look like little nails on the front. And I'm also going to add these little corners. You can put a bit of glue in there if you like, but in my case it's not necessary. Now, if you look, they're a bit too large. This way they're going to fall off like that. But the trick is to get a little hammer and just hammer them flat. So, this one isn't going anywhere. There, and this isn't going anywhere either. I'm going to repeat that with the outside corners of the back cover too. There, and now I have my front and my back cover. And it's time to put these together. Normally, a cover would be a little bit larger than the pages, but in my case it isn't because I didn't want to waste any cardboard. And I'm just going to glue the first page perfectly to the cover and do the same with the last page. So the same way as I applied the paper to the cardboard, I'm going to apply double-sided tape on the edges and some fabric tack in the middle. But first I'm going to cover up these brad ends too with a bit of double-sided tape just to make sure they won't harm anything. Just little pieces. All the way up the edge. Of course, this page is going to cover the whole corner, and I should have put these on after I've glued this page on this inside. I'm not going to change that now. And I'm going to fill in the rest, the center, with fabric tack. I love this glue, but it has a distinctive odor. And everywhere where you think the glue is put on too thick, just go over with the nozzle to spread it out a bit more. Like this. Okay. And I missed a bit, but that's okay. I'm going to put something on the spine also. Okay, I'm going to do the same with the back. Now, it's not perfect, but I'm quite happy after all. Now, it's almost ready, but we don't have a spine yet, and I have a very easy solution for that. I have this sticky linen tape, and I think I've bought it in a craft shop in the bookbinding section. It would have been a bit better if the front image was a bit more centered, so because I'm afraid I'm going to cover up a bit of the writing here, but that's okay. I'm going to cut off. I'm going to use my bad scissors for that. That's why I have the tape here. It says bad scissors. And then I'm going to put the spine right in the center. And then fold it over. It's such an easy way to make a spine. Such an easy way, and it's flexible because it's linen. Like this. Yeah, see, I covered a bit here, but okay. Now I'm going to carefully cut off the excess linen here. This is such a great piece of material. Oh, yeah, look what a pretty spine it's made. It's so easy to use. Pretty. There. This book is ready. This is a sturdy book with sturdy cover and a very nice, easy spine. If you like this tutorial and the freebies, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have some friends that would like to see this tutorial too, please share this video with them.